the first dimension, speed, is basically what is the required speed of decision makings. Do you have the luxury of time, or is this urgent? And frequently forgotten, what is setting the pace? So do we have an external shock, macroeconomic development, a virus, a takeover, regulatory action? Are you driven by your own aspirations, like many startups are? Or is the cash runway setting the pace? Maybe what competitors are doing, or maybe trends, right? But even with trends, what type of a trend? Are you trying to capitalize on fleeting consumer preference trend, or are you building on some demographic trend that would unfold over the years? The speed you have to move with and what is setting the pace informs your degrees of freedom and dictates your approach. And an executive team has to be able to flex its decision-making style based on the necessary speed. If you think about what's going on right now, everyone is moving super, super fast. The pace has truly accelerated, and companies and leadership teams are achieving in weeks what previously they needed years to achieve. And part of the reason of why they're moving with such tempo is because the stakes are so high.